Hello everyone, this is Melanie from MELANIE'S Creative Studio, and I have something super cute in this tiny little package. Fgnormal.com, they reached out to me to do another collaboration, and you guys might know that I've been working with them for quite a while, about a year and a half, and they will contact me every few months and say, hey, we've got some really cute new stuff, would you like to go check it out? And I'm like, sure, let me go look. And this was super cute. I didn't realize it was so tiny, but for my paint by number people who get a little overwhelmed sometimes with very large projects, I saw this and I was like, I feel you, I understand you, I can relate to you, because you guys know me, I haven't been able to paint in like 2 months. I've painted, I shouldn't say I haven't been able to paint at all. I've actually painted for about 4 hours in 2 months. So yeah, it's pretty bad when you like, I started doing these videos for therapy, to, you know, reduce anxiety and stress, and to help others reduce anxiety and stress, and I get so overwhelmed with stuff that I don't even get time to paint. So yeah, but I enjoy being able to help you guys, so that's why I do it. But anyway, this was the cutest little project, so let me get it out and we're gonna take a look. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna add a photo right quick and let's get started. So, like, how stinking cute is this little project? Now that you've seen a photo of it, what do you think? Like, I want to comment below about what you think of this little project. So, okay, so to scale, you know, I do have chubby hands. Let's not discuss the hand width. But the size of this little fan is about, you know, I have short hands too. But anyway, it's not very large, but we're gonna open this up in a minute. I just wanted to show you the contents of the kit first. So this is gonna be our guide for painting it. Of course, we're gonna open this up and I'm sure there's gonna be numbers and things in here just like there are on a paint by number canvas. But let's talk about what we have. We have our paintbrushes that are smaller and in size. So, sorry, let me hold this over the white part. They're smaller in size so that they're going to be able to get into some of the tiny little detail spaces here, which, like I said, we're going to look at. Then we're going to have our reference photo. We're going to have our tassel to hang at the bottom of our fan when we're done with it. And then we're going to have our paints that are going to correspond with our numbers. And let's open this fan up really quickly and take a look at our paint by number section. This is how it's going to open. And you know what's good about this is there's no gesso. It's because it's paper, but it's a thick paper. This is going to be super. I'm sorry if I got my head in the, I'm sorry y'all, I probably got my head all up in the camera. Let me look really close. All right, so not that close. Anyway, so I'm going to try to zoom in. I might be as close as I can be here, but I'm going to try real quick and let's look at the numbers. So you guys would probably, with the bad, you know, the bad vision, might need your magnifiers, but I can clearly see that's a 5, 7, you know, 7, 5, and 1 is in here. So that is clearly written. Now, look at the palette. Now, you know why I chose this one, because it is oceany. I mean, it's the blues, the greens, the beautifuls, and whatever. Now, I do want to swatch the paints for this, even though it's just a baby size. I really do want to see how the paints look. So I will do that, and I will come back and we'll talk about how that, you know, the swatches look. But it's actually going to be a pretty true representation when I swatch, because these get swatched on paper. This is going to be painted on paper with no prep or anything. So it will be a good indication of how that will cover on this. I'll be back. Let's talk about our little paint palette for the fan. And the palette is so pretty. I know it only has a few colors. It had 8 paints and it just was so pretty. The only one that's going to give me any trouble, of course, is the stinky little yellow. It actually was a translucent yellow, so it's not super transparent, but there's only a little bit of that yellow on here. So, as always, I will use a little bit of gray as a base, as I've shown you guys in my 3 Shades of Gray video. that you can find on my YouTube channel. I will put a little link up in here that you can click on. It'll look like a little eye for information. You can click that and it'll take you to that video if you want to watch that video after you're done watching this video. And it will explain putting a little bit of gray down first and then putting that yellow on there. That will help to make this yellow not transparent. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you like this little project. I feel like this will be a quick one, and that's all for today. Comment and tell me what you think of this little fan and this kind of project. I would love to hear your feedback on this. Be sure to give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel, and you guys, thanks as always for watching. I will see you back soon.